Today, I'm going to be starting my very own business. My second business. Before we're starting a business, we need to know what to do for the business. There's multiple things we could do. For me, I'm going to sell one of my 3D printing things because I have 3D printers. So, what to sell with my 3D printers? What am I going to 3D print to sell? I don't know. Let's find out. After scrolling for hours on end, I finally found the perfect product to sell. These ghost and shadow keyring designs. Now that we have the product in mind, now we have to print it. I could go through and 3D model it, and that'd take hours on end. Or I see if someone else did the work for me. And they did! So, I'm going to make sure that the community license is public domain. That means I can sell it. And it is. So, great. Let's get printing, guys. Before 3D printing, I feel like I should clean my setup first because good. So, that's what I'm gonna do first. Let's clean the setup. Alright, so I just finished cleaning the gaming setup. Oh my goodness, bro. I have way too much stuff. Just a little bit of stuff, you know. But it is done. So now to put everything back. After putting everything back, it's looking pretty good. Check it out. Ooh, right? Kind of got the yellow thing going on. Sit in the chair, pull it up, ready. Headphone stand, main monitor, 3 monitors, because, you know, I gotta have it. Alexa, I like having that. Printer and label maker. Good setup. Also, I got this little desk in the back if I need extra space. So these are the 3D models I found online, and I've just brought them into the bamboo slicer. Go ahead and get them sliced up. Right now, they're looking pretty good. I'm going to print them with no color and just see how they come out. Okay, and the prototypes are done. They're looking decent, I'd say. Let's print one in color. Okay, so the first batch of colored ones are done, and they're not great. This one did not turn out well at all. This one just has like this right here. We can do better, 100%. So, after, what was it, 17 hours of printing, I think? We finally got it down to the perfect 3D print. They're looking amazing. No defects that I can see. We're ready to start selling, guys. For selling these keychains, I'm going to be using Etsy just because I used it in the past and it's really easy and I like using it. I have a good title, good photo and video. I added a video to let the customer know, really see what they're buying. I have a good thumbnail. For the description, I had some help with my good friend ChatGPT. For the quantity of the inventory, I have $9.99 just because I can print to order, and that can be a lot. I have variations of the ghost and shadow, just in case if the customer only wants to buy 1 or 2, the price will vary on that. And we're good to go. Let's go ahead and publish this. Okay, now that we have it uploaded on Etsy, I have my packaging ready to go. I've started mass producing the keychains. Now I'm gonna create short-term content for the keychains, get those uploaded, and that's basically all we gotta do next. Okay, and there we go. We uploaded the keychains. I'm going to turn on Etsy ads to run in the background. We'll see how those do. We're gonna create some content, get that pumped out. I think I'm gonna do 3 videos a day, hopefully. Upload them to TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram, Pinterest, X. Any way I can get my keychains out there, I will. Anyway, hope you guys liked the video. If you guys want me to do more 3D printing videos, let me know. That's it.